Winds are gusting about 65 miles an hour in central Michigan this afternoon. I'm going to do a video of my drive back to my place. As you see, it's the winds are whipping the snow right across the road. It's causing it to be very slick. Clear that way. We got about 5 inches of fresh snow last night, and these winds are just blowing it everywhere, folks. These are country roads, mind you. The open fields don't help. The wind just blows right through, and the loose snow right here. Look at this. Can you see the snow getting blown? I think I'm going to stop by my sister's place to make sure she's okay. She's the one that lost her husband about 3.5 months ago. She lives by herself with her 2 dogs. I haven't met one of her dogs yet, but something just tells me to stop by and check on her. She doesn't live too far from me. She lives about 10 miles from me, and I'm on the other side of her house, and I'll be almost going right by. I just have to go over one road. But I just wanted to show you guys how bad the roads are getting blown. Now this road has trees blocking the drifting snow, so yeah, my sister had got a pup about 4 months before my brother-in-law passed, and then she got another one just before Christmas, and I haven't met that one yet. So, as you guys know, I'm a very big animal lover, and I love my dogs. A lot of people use solar up here, folks. These are pretty good roads for being winter. All right, I'm going to end this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless y'all.